At about 7:43 this morning, I tweeted the following. We are right in the window for Surface Duo / Duo 2 updates again. And as you will probably see over my shoulder here, that is a Surface Duo downloading an update. Here is another Surface Duo downloading an update because something kind of crazy has actually happened. We didn't just get an update for Surface Duo 1 today. We also got an update for Surface Duo 2 today. Double the updates, double the fun. Let's look at the patch notes here now. So guys, before we do jump into the patch notes, I want to let you know I'm not going to be doing a super duper deep dive on this because everything is still downloading. So I wanted to get a video out quickly now just to let you know that the update is out, let you see the patch notes, and let's discuss a little bit. And we're going to talk about it further probably early next week. Probably not gonna have time to do this tomorrow, probably Monday, maybe part of News Radar or something like that. So the first update that had a changelog was the Surface Duo 2 update, and this is our changelog. Number one, security patch. Anytime you ever see addresses, scenarios outlined in security bulletin, that's just a security update. That's good to see, pretty normal. The next one is improves system reliability and stability. This is pretty generic, pretty universal. They tend to say this basically every single update. So they're doing something to make the thing more reliable and more stable. My Duo 2 has been quite reliable and quite stable already, but maybe now it will be even more so. The next one, improves device performance and animations. I'm not exactly sure what this means, but obviously they did just fix the thing on Duo 2 where certain animations just weren't playing correctly. So perhaps this is a sort of refinement of those animations. Sometimes they will judder and stutter just a little bit from time to time. Maybe this is there to address that kind of thing. Improves touch performance. There was a massive improvement in the touch performance with the last update, and I have heard through the grapevine, I think Zach Bowden also said this, that this is a pretty big update in terms of the driver number. This was something that Zach had said, that basically if the first one was, let's say it was driver number 5, instead of it being 5.2, it's gone up a whole, it's like number 9 now. They've jumped like several whole numbers. Usually that means it's been iterated on many, many times, and they've come to this point now to release it. So this may be a pretty big update in terms of touch response. And that's something that a lot of people are probably going to be very excited to see because a lot of people are still having some issues with touch response on Duo 2. In terms of the next thing, improves camera with autofocus. This is something that we've seen quite a bit as well. In particular, I've seen this in video performance where it seems to want to focus hunt and it can't quite focus and it can't quite get exposure right when you're filming. It does some weird things. So perhaps this is something that's been addressed as well. Autofocus just in general is pretty meh on Duo 2. So perhaps that is something that is now going to be addressed. With Duo 1, we get some pretty cool stuff here. So the Your Phone app, you can now use Android apps on your PC. This is something we just got on Duo 2. Duo 1 is now caught up. That is a big deal. That is super duper cool. Please download the Your Phone app. I'm going to show you how this works in just a moment if you don't know, but that is awesome. Improves device UI stability, improves performance, improves reliability of the Android Auto experience. A lot of people have had problems with Android Auto not working correctly on their original Duo. Hopefully that is something that is now fixed. If you don't know about the Your Phone app though, let's take a look at this here really quickly. Effectively, what you're going to be able to do is this. Now my Duo is still not fully updated and rebooted, so I can't show you this quite yet. But once you get all this stuff set up and ready to go, you will be able to launch Android apps just like this in a window on your desktop. You'll even be able to pin these apps to your start menu or your taskbar, and when you open them, they just run in a window, and they run as if they are a native Windows 11 or Windows 10 app. Awesome to see this really cool feature that I actually have been using quite a bit now make its way back to the original Duo. Guys, I am rebooting now. I am about to be able to reboot on the original Duo. I'll be testing this thing over the weekend. Please drop in the comments, please, anything that you do notice in your testing of these devices, and then on probably Monday, we'll talk this whole thing over and I'll give you what I've experienced in general with these two updates. Guys, lots of cool stuff today. Happy to be able to bring this news to you. I'll see you on the next one, and until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.